Revolut API documentation is a comprehensive guide that provides developers with the necessary information to integrate Revolut services into their applications. To get started with Revolut API documentation, first understand what an API is. An application programming interface, or API, is a set of defined rules that enables different software systems to communicate with each other. The Revolut API allows developers to access Revolut services such as account management, payment processing, and exchange rates. The API documentation provides detailed information on how to use these services, including code examples, API endpoints, and error handling. To navigate the Revolut API documentation, start by reviewing the Getting Started section, which provides an overview of the API, including authentication methods and API keys. Next, explore the API endpoints section, which lists all the available endpoints, including their parameters, request and response formats, and example requests. When using the Revolut API, it is essential to follow best practices, such as handling errors and exceptions, implementing security measures, and optimizing API requests. The API documentation provides guidance on these best practices, as well as code examples in various programming languages. A key concept in the Revolut API documentation is authentication, which is the process of verifying the identity of the user or application making the API request. The Revolut API uses OAuth 2.0 for authentication, which involves obtaining an access token and using it to authenticate API requests. Another important concept is API rate limiting, which is the process of limiting the number of API requests that can be made within a certain time period. The Revolut API has rate limits in place to prevent abuse and ensure fair usage. In conclusion, the Revolut API documentation is a valuable resource for developers who want to integrate Revolut services into their applications. By following the guide and best practices outlined in the documentation, developers can build robust and scalable applications that take advantage of Revolut services.